Hey guys, welcome back to another video today, guys. I'm going to be driving this bike right here down this ramp. And I got Roomba. He's joining me. So I'm going to explain to you what happened before I started vlogging. So I did it for the first time today. Technically second time because I failed. Went right off the edge. I think I put it like right here. And went, ah! Fail. So I tried it again. So yeah, we're gonna try it again. Get in position. Okay, so I'm going to quickly tell you what Roomba did. So I came down. I almost hit him because he was at the bottom of the ramp. He's not there right now. But what he did is I almost hit him. I think I did. But he moved out of the way. I got all the way to the front of the truck. He hopped on. It started pushing me backwards. So we're going to see if he does it again. Not this. Ah! So we're just gonna wait here and see if he does it. Oh, he hit me. Yeah, you can see him like right in the corner. See, right. So let's go back. I'm doing it backward. I can't even tell if I'm alive. Well, just have to wait. Yep. Just right on the edge. Okay, so I'm going to quickly give out the sponsor of. I'm going to sponsor someone in this video. Today I am sponsoring Parents' Choice. These guys have helped us with Hannibal and Harley when they were going through their ages and kept them clean. And we just like how they kept that they were the only ones that didn't flood their diapers. So thank you so much. So if you work at Parents' Choice, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy the shout out. All right, let's get back to this. So I'm in position. Okay, here we go. Ah! Roomba, come here. Push me. Oh God. Oh! Roomba, push me up. Push me over. Over to her. Woo! Help the camera focus. There we go. Alright. This is number 3. Here we go. And number 3! Honestly, I think that one was a little bit lame. So we're going to try it. This is going to be step number 4. Okay, so I'm not going to be updating. Probably more than likely not going to be updating a while at my mom's house because she grounded me because my girls were bad. But they're turning around. I know you're watching this, Mom. I know you're watching this. They're getting better. Yeah, she's subscribed. Alright, chat number 4. Here we go! There's your button. Oh, for a second there, guys, I thought he was actually going to come up. Ah! So I went backwards. Went bam! I hit the edge like right here. Ah! Alright, attempt number 5. We're gonna try 10 attempts. So I'm gonna probably show you what's new. But that's gonna be a different video, which I'm gonna do after this one. Because a lot of things have changed here. So here we go! Attempt number 5! Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Well, here you go. Oh, no, he just wanted something like that. Alright. Attempt number 6. Okay, so I was wondering why it was red for a second there. A couple seconds there. I put my thumb on it. So here we go. Attempt number 6. I can't. Attempt number 6. Woo! Oh my God! Oh! So I'm basically making it the same way I always am. Here's Roomba. Came to join us. Oh! So I've been looking through. Thank you guys so much again for 103 views on Truth or Dare. Thank you so much. And that was attempt number 7. Oh, wait for a second there. I thought he was going. Oh, he's doing it. He's doing it. This is what he did. See, guys, he's pushing me. You know. Guys, what is that? Roomba down. Down. Good boy. I think that was attempt number 8. And he did it at attempt number 8. Alright, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Oh, question. So I'm going to start doing question of the day. Question of the video. Comment down below if you know what kind of phone this is. And whoever gets it right, they might get it. It doesn't work, so it can be used as a play phone this way. So, thank you for joining me in this video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. And hit that like button. I'll see you all later. Bye.